It's today. The live show, the first live show is going to happen today. I'm on my way to Bombay. I have been having a lot of thoughts. This is my first real tour. I have no idea why I'm doing this. I just thought it was time to take civics to adults. Because in school we never learned anything, did we? There was a 10 marks ka civics, paper. There was always a geography, history, then civics. तो 10 मार्क के पेपर में हम लोग मैच द फॉलोइंग फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स करके छोड़ देते थे. Now we are in a place where we have no clue as adults how our democracy functions, how constitution matters, or anything of that sort. So I thought, why not do some live classes? This is not a comedy show, the one that I'm doing. It is more like a pseudo lecture with some funs thrown in. Okay, a lot of funs thrown in. Actually, I went a little overboard, I feel like now. Anyway, to those who couldn't come for the show, I'm going to try and document as much as possible of what happens around the show. This is the BTS of Democracy IRL. And also while I do that, I will also take you around Bombay and Pune. See you in Bombay. So we have arrived in Bombay, and this is a van. Hello van. This is especially for Medusa who was asking कि हमारा editor कौन है. हमारा editor आज हमारा driver भी है और हमारे cinematographer भी है और सब कुछ है. ये हमारे सब
और
कुछ
मेरा
में.
नाम भी वैन है.
Yeah, van.
You get it? वैन ड्राइवर वैन.
Yeah. So hello Mumbai.
किधर से चलने का? How?
What is this? What about us trolley baggers? ये क्या है? ये क्या है? What is this Adani? Adani इधर ये देख Adani
ये भी अडानी है.
ठीक कर साले. क्या है ये? Okay, so let the Mumbai ranting begin. The moment I entered the car, van is complaining about SV Road and being not a single ditchless place. You said, right? Ditchless.
Yeah, one ditchless stretch of SV Road you give me, I will.
You will reward me.
Yeah, and that beeping we hear is seatbelt.
Oh shit! No.
Okay, that's okay.
You know.
It's not going to explode. We are not at the airport anymore, no? So it won't explode.
So guys, if you are not familiar, I am a person who does not enjoy Bombay as much as the normal person. So yes, please tell me more.
No. Trust me. Even I'm born and brought up in Bombay. I still don't enjoy Bombay as much as
Yeah.
I just have to. I don't have a choice.
Yeah.
So.
See, this is exactly what I say about Delhi also. So I don't have a choice. But do we, man? Do we?
Have a choice?
Yeah.
Well, yes.
Guys, I have an announcement. I am today announcing a live show. It's called Democracy IRL, and I'm going to be traveling and touring across India. It is basically a civics lesson for adults. I am partnering with Chalta Hai Comedy. 24th of this month, I'm going to be in Mumbai, Pune on the 25th, Goa, first week of September. I'll be traveling to Bangalore. Bangalore say I'm going to come back to Delhi and do another show. Yeah, I'll see you there. Friends, a sudden realization is striking me that most of this vlog is going to be from a car, which is particularly his car, because today the plan is that friends, that we are currently going out of the airport, then we are going to the hotel, which is in Khar, whatever that place is, Bandra.
Well, no, Khar. Bandra is in, everybody calls it Bandra because, well, Bandra has snob value, Khar doesn't. So, Bandra.
Okay, तो खार जा रहे हैं. We are not snobs, so खार जा रहे हैं. और उसके बाद हमको शो करने ठाणे जाना है. ठाणे is like 1.5 hours away.
Yeah, it's 35 kilometers away, so.
So basically, most of this vlog is car. So, hello from the studio, I guess. Friends, the most crucial part of the show needs to be revealed at this point of time. Plus, say hello to Shweta. Boss lady is here. Boss lady. Now the thing is, more than me, more than her, more than him, there is one more important thing which I was scared about, worried about, and it is in this. So we are going to do unboxing. Unwrapping, more like. So, guys, please. Hey, पकड़ रहे. मैं unwrapping करेगा. Unboxing video. Unwrapping video. So, ignore the logo. Ignore the towel. Now we are going to see if this came in one piece. थोड़ा धक-धक हो रहा है. धक-धक हो रहा है, guys. धक-धक. Okay.
Heartbeat ASMR.
So, projector is a very integral part of this show. Now we're just going to see if it functions also. Because, light one, please. Light one. Okay. Please work. वरना शो नहीं चलेगा भाई. कचरा हो जाएगा मेरी लाइफ का. और ढक्कन खोलना है. ढक्कन खोल दिया. प्लीज. गाइस चल रहा है. गाइस चल रहा है. गाइस ये चल रहा है.
Eagle has landed.
Yes, eagle has landed. Truly eagle has landed. चल जा. श्वेता का चेहरा देख कैसे. वेटिंग इन एंटिसिपेशन. बहुत मेहनत की है लड़की ने लाइफ में. If this works, you will get just focus there, and the audience gets yes. You just got rickrolled. Elaborate setup to get you rickrolled. Going through some dangerous places in Bombay, and people were giving me history lessons and saying this will never fall, so I thought we should take that history lesson. Welcome to Mumbai. यहाँ पे बहुत लोग डूबे हुए हैं शायद. मतलब people tell me यहाँ पे क्या हुआ था. ड्राउनिंग हुआ था.
हाँ, एक तो डूबा था कोई यहाँ पे जब पानी फंसा था.
है. और फिर क्या हुआ.
पता नहीं, मर गए.
दिस इज खार सबवे. अच्छा, ये क्या वो ईस्ट और वेस्ट के बीच में जाने के लिए. और फिर वो
नहीं, दूसरा भी है, मिलन सबवे भी है.
हाँ.
खार सबवे.
तो अच्छा मुझे बता, वो गोखले ब्रिज किधर है फेमस. अंधेरी में.
वो अब तक बन ही रहा.
ये थोड़ा सबवे को दिखाओ, थोड़ा अजंता एलोरा के.
ये मस्त है यार. दिस इज नॉट बैड.
दिस इज लाइक गोइंग फाइंडिंग द वैली ऑफ किंग्स.
I feel like ऊपर क्या है. ऊपर से ट्रेन जाता है.
हाँ, ऊपर से ट्रेन जाता है.
नाइस. यहाँ से पंपिंग मैकेनिज्म है क्या कुछ? है ना?
नहीं है
You
pump.
can see they're cleaning.
Oh, they're desilting, I guess. No, they're just
No,
cleaning.
they're sweeping.
स्वच्छ भारत नहीं हुआ यहाँ पे. मोदी जी को बुलाना चाहिए. So, by the way, now we are joined by Satvik. Say hello, Satvik. Hai. You traveled all the way from a place, Gujarat. Yes, he came from Gujarat to see the show.
Yeah.
What a wonderful boy.
I told my boss that I'm going for beer biceps.
You're going for beer biceps.
Yeah, I mean.
Instant
Gujarat.
John Abraham went
गुजरात में
there.
वही चलता है.
Look at this shit.
For you, Thana.
1 hour 31 minutes. I mean, he's enduring more clearly, but still 1 hour 31 minutes. What is this city? What is this?
They went to kill him only. वो बेचारा भागा. Latinos उसके पीछे भागे. Europeans आके.
Guys,
How are you?
पनवेल निकलना है. जल्दी करो, पनवेल निकलना है. Sorry. Sorry. Just. Sorry. I have never seen this before, but we just crossed something called Mumbai Metro Dream Line. And how long has this been built?
See,
जब
in
मैं
the beginning
छोटा
there
बच्चा
in the
था,
beginning there was darkness.
Right.
Then the Lord said, "Let there be light."
Yes.
And there was light.
Yes.
Since
That,
then,
that place is called Andheri by the way.
Andheri.
Starts from Andheri. The line starts from DN Nagar, so it starts from Andheri.
See how apt it is. It fits.
Yeah, well, okay.
And it goes to a place called Light, and we call it Chimbu for some reason.
But who the hell called it Dream Line? It's like,
No, it's like because his dream project.
if it becomes reality,
हाँ.
is it still a dream line? Because for it to be a dream line, it needs to be a dream.
Or are they giving us subtle hints?
That सपने में ही रहेगा. Yeah. Makes sense.
कभी
Absolutely
complete
makes
नहीं होगा,
sense.
इसलिए वो dream.
या. अरे ये पहली बार हम थोड़ा सा फास्ट जा रहे हैं फ्रेंड्स, तो देख लो थोड़ी देर कितनी देर चलता है पता नहीं.
अरे कभी कभी
क्योंकि-
हमारी गाड़ी 50 क्रॉस कर सकती है.
This is wild, okay? Like plus 21 minutes randomly आ जाता है कहीं
हाँ,
से.
ये अटक गया इधर.
अरे वाह.
Now for the next
Okay,
kilometer and a half, it is-
okay. Thanks for watching. Now again traffic. Guys, I just saw something magical happening. Look, last I showed you it was 1 hour 15 minutes. Suddenly it is now 1 hour 9 minutes. It just went down by 6 minutes magically.
We didn't move an inch though.
We didn't move at all. चल.
नहीं, जाके कुछ नहीं आगे बढ़ा.
That was the काय रे लाडकी बहीण.
लाड़की बड़ी.
Ladki Bahin scheme that the Maharashtra government has launched. And in case you don't know, the Election Commission has not declared the election dates for Maharashtra yet. And one of the running theories is that they launched this scheme very recently, but उसका implementation अभी तक हुआ नहीं है. So they want to give time for the implementation. तो इसीलिए Election Commission ने शायद allegedly उसको postpone कर दिया. Theory, all theories. मैं कुछ नहीं बोल रहा हूँ. By the way, 1 hour 8 minutes now. We have been here for 15 more minutes. Let's see if we reach on time now, because we have to set up also. Please tell me when we have to panic.
Now.
Just wanted to do a brake light shot because
Get a very creepy shot.
Why not?
Like red and all.
stuck again. बट ठीक है, ये टाइम अभी भी वही दिखा रहा है. सो वी स्टिल हैव एन आवर. एंड गाइस, आई मस्ट टेल यू, इन बॉम्बे when you go out to places like Thane from Bandra, pee first. Just do it, okay? This general advice I'm giving you.
अच्छा, वो पानी का बोतल दे दो मेरे को.
Man, like, what is happening? मार डालूंगा तुझे.
अरे मैं तो
ये साले
बोतल खाली
ये
कर रहा था ताकि इस्तेमाल हो उसका.
ये सब एडवाइस ना, ये इन हरामियों से आना चाहिए था, ये बॉम्बे वालों से. और मैं बैठा हूँ यहाँ पे अब ब्लैडर पकड़ के अपना, बस बैठे रहो. साला मारीन तुला मी.
Oh God, he's actually offering you a full bottle.
Seriously.
Okay.
Okay, so video diary from Bombay. I think I'm annoyed now. I think I'm very annoyed now because look at this. it just keeps increasing, and I am at a place, we are at a place which I cannot make sense of. रोड कहाँ से आ रहा है, कौन सा सिग्नल चल रहा है, साला कुछ पता ही नहीं है. ये क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे? Look at this, it's like an army waiting to attack me only. What is this? What is happening here?
Now you know how I feel when I drive in Pune.
Oh my god, what is this? I have never I don't know, I'm very stunned this time.
Crazy amount of people.
Crazy. Also, this is extremely unprecedented, as they said, that we left at 5. We accounted for 2 hours to reach, and we are already down 3 hours. So, we are almost going to make it on time. And these people assure me that when the artist comes is when the show begins. So, there is no time. But I hate being late. Yeah. ठीक है, हो गया, पहुंच गया. Maybe थोड़ा सा 4 मिनट. ओ ग्रीन हो गया. पहली बार निकलने के बाद पहली बार कुछ ग्रीन दिखा मेरे को. Oh my god, 4 मिनट ग्रीन है. ओ okay guys, get ready to see the venue now. Action sequence.
Oh.
चेहरा दिख भी नहीं रहा.
Now I feel like going like that. आंखें बंदर. Like that.
Now we are. Yeah. Make noise.
Finally.
आ गए.
हाँ.
ये बिल्डिंग.
This is the boy. The venue.
आ गए.
हम जीत गए.
Should we begin, friends? With Democracy IRL? Yeah, give me a cheer, please. जिंदा होने चाहिए ना स्टूडेंट. ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है ना, right? Okay. So, first chapter. The Indian Constitution. In this chapter, we are going to begin with football. We have to work with them, we have to write their speeches, do their research, file questions, yada yada, right? तो मैं आदमी नागपुर से गया उधर, right? Day 1 training, right? They gave us a month का training because they were like, ऐसे थोड़ी आ जाएगा questions file करना तो आ गया. तो day 1 training, second session, after the introductory session, Shashi Tharoor walks in, right? And I'm like, yes, bitches, I know the effect I have on people.
Keep the shawl. Keep the shawl also. Okay.
Okay, fair
The
enough.
shawl you look raw. Make not raw.
Yeah.
Mumbai MPGA. Oh, we are doing one in Bangalore. So Mumbai may we will plan something. This time the show was very rapid actually, and we weren't expecting this sort of reception. So we had to add another because so much demands were coming. But we will plan something. I thought the Bandra shows today. Lady, help me with live streaming.
All the infographics you see here.
Yes,
Yes.
infographics.
Oh shit, that's her.
Yeah, that's
I
her.
I got my luggage and everything.
Shweta told
I
me.
know, I kept telling Shweta the one day that I'm not in Mumbai, you had to do a show in Mumbai. And she said
But
no,
you made it.
23rd. Yeah,
You
then
made
she
it.
said 20th.
First show done. Van, will you rate it out of 10?
6.
6. We got a 6. We are going to try for a 6.5 tomorrow. We have with us Amrita here. I don't know.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. Amrita is the person who helped us with the live stream, and she did amazing infographics for us. And this is Shreyas Manohar who opened for us today. Shreyas, feedback?
Good, great show for a first show.
Yeah.
Lots of work to do, but lots of doable work.
Lots of doable.
And
Thanks.
it's
Lots
like-
of work to do, but lots of doable.
It's
work.
doable. It's not like it's impossible. It's at a 5.56 right now, but the way towards a 9.5 is there.
Hi.
We can see the way.
Amrita, rating?
I think it was great. 7.
7. Oh, nice. So on an average, we are at like some 6.8, I guess. No, 6.5, something.
Yes,
I don't know. You do the math. Yeah. But like today's show was a little strange also because of that 3-hour garbage ride that we had to do. Because thank you Mumbai. Yeah, and it kind
No,
of.
I think going to Pune is going to be quicker.
Yeah.
Yeah.
you reach
Definitely.
Pune in
Yeah.
3 hours.
It's
Yeah.
way quicker.
Yeah, that's what Shweta was also saying, that it will be quicker. But tomorrow we are doing it in Bandra. So let's hope that will be a little bit more better. I have a lot of work to do tomorrow to tighten the show as they said. So yeah, that was day 1. On to day 2. So I will see you tomorrow morning. Bye bye. Hello, good morning. So I have some learnings from yesterday. Wanted to talk about that a little bit. So I learned that when you do live shows, you realize some very strange things. One is the audience reaction. So you can almost tell what is working and what doesn't, content-wise. So now I have to sit today and revise a bunch of things. My show consists of stories, personal stories, and other made-up stories that I have about democracy and parliament and all the things. I realized that one of the stories doesn't work as well. Goes on for too long. Need to tighten it or possibly remove it. Plus, I discussed with a few people and I have so much personal stories to tell. I think I should just pull from there and do it. The other thing I realized, guys, is that in my show I have an opener comic and they do like an opening warm-up act, and then I keep them on stage and then I do improv with them. Improv in the sense, like there are these exercises at the end of civics chapters which I solve with them. Man, it's crazy. There are questions being asked to 8th graders which are very existential in nature. So there is just stunned silence in a lot of places, a lot of awkward laughs, which is great. So I'm going to keep them. But man, okay, they're very interesting. Like this experiment is turning out to be a very good learning experience. So the idea is, today I'm doing one show in Bandra, tomorrow in Pune, and then I go to Goa. By the time I reach to Bangalore, where like the big shows are happening, 2 big shows now, I feel like this will be a much better, tighter, nicer show. Or at least that's the hope. I just need to keep trying, just need to keep experimenting on stage and seeing what works, what doesn't. And by the time I get to Delhi, I hope I get to a point where I'll be able to record this show and then put it up on my channel. Let's see if that works out. I'm not that confident about it yet, but let's hope over the next few shows I'll be able to be confident that I can put it up on my channel. Another thing is that, so usually comics, what they do is they do a lot of open mics and they try their material and they see what works, what doesn't. And they don't really advertise those open mics per se. They just show up at like spots and do it. I'm learning all of this in Bombay. I did it a little differently because this is my first show which I did yesterday and it was a ticketed event. So the trial shows are the ones that are selling out right now, which is a very encouraging sign. But the comics I spoke to are like a little confused by that apparently. I don't know, maybe I'm being a little unorthodox about how to do these things, but hey, that's who we are, unorthodox AF. Yeah. Anyway, today's show is in Bandra, which is close by. I'm going to sit today and just revise all the things and do another rehearsal if possible before I do the show. And yeah, I will keep you posted on what is up today. Okay, nerd friends, it is time for show number 2. Hello, this is Boss Lady Shweta. I don't think we can see it because it's raining so much, and we are in auto rickshaw darkness, like our democracy. We had to completely rehaul the show today. Yes, all afternoon we sat down and rehauled the whole thing, and now it has become a little insane.
New show. Full new show.
एक दिन में ही बदल दिया. Is this what our tour is going to be like? Every time we do it, नहीं ये अच्छा नहीं लगा. पूरा बदल देते हैं. But
Basically, you can see every iteration. Every show is a new show.
it's true. That's the whole point of democracy IRL, to be honest, because there is so much to talk about. We are like, हाँ ये निकाल देते हैं, ये भी डाल देते हैं, ये निकाल देते हैं, ये भी डाल देते हैं. अच्छा तूने ये स्टोरी क्यों नहीं डाला? तूने वो वाला स्टोरी क्यों नहीं डाला?
Next time ये डालेंगे.
नेक्स्ट टाइम ये डालेंगे. नेक्स्ट टाइम ये डालेंगे. फिर नॉट जस्ट दैट. अभी तो पहले 3 चैप्टर हो रहे हैं.
हाँ.
फिर चैप्टर 4, 5, 6 का दूसरा टूर निकालेंगे.
हाँ. फिर तो 8, 9, 10 कितना टेक्स्ट बुक भी है.
Also, thank you for being my cup holder.
Oh, yeah.
Guys, ये कप वालों से थोड़ा सा ब्रांडिंग लेना चाहिए अभी. बहुत फीचर हो गया इसको. नहीं कंपनी का नाम मत बता. नहीं बता. मत बता.
पैसा दो.
पैसा दो और लो. Okay, I think we are almost there. I will see you at the venue. I want to show you the venue today. Yesterday we didn't get to show them the venue. So I will do that. Yes. What? सुरेश का बाल किधर गया? अरे राइट विंगर बन गया ये तो.
Stop the existence of people's hair, okay? It's just a natural phenomenon, it happens. It's fine.
I'm going to propose this bill. I call this Arno CCTV cameras everywhere bill. All those in favor say aye. All those against say no. No. I think the ayes have it done. नेता प्रतिपक्ष शट अप. मोदी जी आप बोलिए. सुप्रीम लीडर जी. प्लेज. I'm channeling the Om Birla, okay? Religious community does not dominate another.
That's the best joke of the show so far. Wow! Nice.
Now it's a comedy show. I think so. Yeah. Friends, what you were looking at was the workplace of Madhavi Puri Butcher, not Adhi Butcher, and we are now leaving for Pune. Hello, good morning. Yesterday's show was great, and I have with me Van. Hello. Urjita, do you consent to being on my vlog?
Yes, I'm totally not being paid to do this.
So that's Urjita who is opening for us today, and hello, boss lady doing boss lady things.
Yes.
एंड हम अभी जस्ट कहीं से भी एक बहुत सारे फैंसी कंपनीज है यहाँ पे. ओ ये जियो गार्डन है क्या?
अभी होते कॉन्सर्ट्स.
ये जियो गार्डन.
जियो गार्डन.
अरे क्या बात है.
आज यहाँ पे कुछ हो रहा है.
कुछ तो हो रहा है.
आज संडे है, रोज कुछ ना
कुछ तो मतलब मैराथन
हो रहा है. संडे में एक्सेट्रा उनके रीरूटिंग होते हैं.
सो नीता मुकेश अंबानी कल्चरल सेंटर का बोर्ड भी दिख रहा है यहाँ पे.
वो तो देख रहा है क्या नीता मुकेश अंबानी कल्चरल सेंटर?
नहीं रहने दे. इट्स ओके. इतना भी एक्साइटमेंट नहीं. Guys, but I have to tell you, if you ever come to Bombay, there is only one monument that you should see, which is Antilla. Also, ये देखिए जियो वर्ल्ड सेंटर आ गया हमारा.
प्रचंड वीट दिसते हैं का जियो वर्ल्ड सेंटर है.
Yeah. So no, I'm just saying that if you ever come to Bombay, please go visit the only singular monument in this city, which is Antilla. Must go, must watch. Yeah, it is a FU to the world, and this was Bandra Kurla complex. Oh look, they have an infinity sign also. Look at that shit. Wow.
With those party symbols.
Yeah. सबने चुराए हुए, 2 तो चुराए हुए पार्टी सिंबल्स है. या कार्टून लग रहे हैं बस. My God. लय भारी. लाडक्या बहिणीचे लाडके सरकार, लाडकी सरकार, लाडक्या बहिणीची लाडकी
सरकार असते
हो नाही तर काय,
हे सरकार नसतं.
नाही तर काय. कॉपी रायटर्सला थोडं जास्ती पैसे द्या.
Prevention of beautiful rich people from doing poetry act. Beautiful poor people.
Okay, let's pass the beautiful rich people can't do poetry bill. Okay, I'm putting this forward. All those in favor say aye. Aye. Or as Varun Grover calls it, yeah. Point क्या है इसका? Honestly, point क्या है इसका?
I hope you enjoy. Yeah? Yeah, thank you so much. We've been learning a lot from his store. Thank you.
Showed the data prediction bill wala video to my partner, and he was very impressed. That was the first. That's how I introduced you to him recently.
Very nice.
Like, oh wow, because he's also into streaming and everything, so he was very excited. He was like, "अरे, मैं भी वो क्या? What was the word?
Broadcaster.
मैं भी broadcaster.
Sub broadcaster. Yeah. Yes. Please.
और मैं न्यूज़ लॉन्ड्री सब्सक्राइब भी कर रखा हूँ कभी. पर आपका न्यूज़ लॉन्ड्री में थोड़ा कम आता है अभी. पहले
I am not with News Laundry. No longer. I left 2 years ago. And मैं वहीं जाना नहीं.
नहीं मेरे को नहीं पता.
अब पता है.
रिकॉर्ड लगाओ इधर.
We have to take video of this.
Oh.
We have fans with initiative, guys.
Yes. Oh wow, this is so nice.
माउस पैड है, फोटो है इसके. माउस पैड पे देखना. Actually, she texted me right. She wants to watch the. मैं बहुत टाइम से बोल रहा हूँ मेहनत का महत्व चाहिए अपने को, लेकिन नहीं. तो अभी ये कड़क मत वगैरह के साथ में कुछ करते हैं ना.
Yeah. Too bad.
Okay, so the last show is done, and I'm leaving from Pune for Bombay. So no, I'm sorry, I'm leaving from Pune for Delhi. Going back home, a little tired, but yeah, it was a great show, the third one. But I realized is that I changed everything again, and the live audience reactions are really helping sort of make the content better. So by the time I take it to, let's say, Bangalore, hopefully this will be like a nice tight little show which will be very effective and nice. So yeah, looking forward to all the other shows. Just saying, if you are in Goa on the 6th of September, then please come. If you are in Bangalore on the 14th or 15th, please come. And if you are in Delhi at the end of this month, please come. The tickets are on Book My Show. one thing that I'm seeing is that people are really enthusiastic about learning civics as adults, which is very weird, but I guess it works. So yeah, come. And yeah, that was the vlog, friends, and I will be back to my live streaming for Mother channel. I know it has been going quiet. It will happen this month. This channel will be a little quiet this month because I'm traveling and doing the shows. But yeah, I will see you in the next one. Very exciting. This tour is fun. It's fun. Stage shows का शायद नशा लग जाएगा.
In 200 meters, turn right onto GD Medical Car Tunnel.